Hello, welcome to this series on Rest Assured. In previous videos, we saw how we can get, put, post, and delete information from our RESTful Booker API. And if you remember, we had some issues on the deletion. Let's try this again. But first, let's go to the API and see. Okay, let's see. We have booking number 4 here, and we'll change our code to delete number 4 and also check for the deletion number 4. Going to save this and run. Yeah, and the issue is still there. So the code checks for the deletion before the deletion actually happens. So how can we avoid this? Well, in the test, we need to set something called a priority. We're basically telling I want this test to run first and this test to run second. Okay, let's change this now because I mean, if you perform the get, we don't have the number 4. Oh, it's there, but let's see number 2. So we're deleting booking number 2. And now it should perform the deletion and then perform, yeah, perfect. Good. So we can close this one. In our put test, so we saw how we can, or this is not only for our put test, but there's one other thing which I want to show you in this video. And for that, I created a new test, which basically has the name customize body test. And in this test, in this part, I want to show you how we can improve the working with our path here. The thing is, I mean, we're constantly copying this path, or we constantly need to have a look at this path here. And there is a way to, let's just add another function, public void setup. And we're also going to have this one run before the test. And in this one, we can actually set in Rest Assured, we can set, let's say, a URL, which is a way of telling Rest Assured this is the main part of my requests. I'll show you what I mean in one second. So if we go to our RESTful Booker and we check except for the create token, we check the get bookings, create booking, you can see that if I copy this and search for it, it's basically everywhere. So we need a way to tell Rest Assured, well, this part is the same. You just need this part plus something else in order to do your work. So how can we do that? Well, we say Rest Assured dot base URI, and here we basically paste the main URL. So you're maybe asking me now, okay, how can I use this one? Well, for example, here you don't need to put the whole path here. You can just do /1, and the same should go for this one, /1. Let's see, first we need to check, do we have a booking number 1? Yeah, we do have a booking number 1. And let's maybe go to Postman and see how, okay, if you remember, we go to Postman. Let me start Postman. And in Postman, I have, from previous videos, I have the first booking here. So this is the first booking, it says Sally, Smith, and so forth. So what we want to do right now is, in this format, to basically well, do an update of this. So let's just run the test. And we have the same issue, I think, as before, but with the priorities. But let's first go into Postman. Yeah, and you see the update was done, but we do have the same issue that it's executing not in the order that we want. We just set here as well priority 2, and we do here priority 1. But let me say restore, update, tester update, and let's just pay another thing. Okay, and we save it. We run the test again. And it's worked. Let's verify in Postman. It worked. Perfect. So there you have it. This is a small but important way how you can improve the Rest Assured tests. I'll see you in the next one for more fun with Rest Assured. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.